I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your song sound similar to a reference track. First, choose a high-quality, professionally mixed and mastered song that embodies the sound you want to achieve. This reference will be your guide throughout the production process. Make sure it aligns with your genre and artistic vision. Listen critically to its overall balance and impact. Next, deconstruct your chosen reference track. Pay close attention to its arrangement, identifying where instruments enter and exit. Analyze the frequency spectrum to understand the balance of lows, mids, and highs. Notice the stereo image and how elements are panned. This detailed analysis helps you understand the sonic blueprint you're aiming for. Now begin building your own song, using the reference as a guide for your arrangement. Aim for a similar structure, instrument density, and overall energy curve. Choose sounds and textures that resonate with the reference track's vibe. Focus on creating a solid foundation that captures the essence of your desired sound before moving to detailed mixing. Finally, it's time for mixing and mastering. Continuously compare your track to the reference, adjusting levels, EQ, and compression to achieve a similar sonic balance. Pay attention to the overall loudness and dynamic range. The goal is not to copy, but to learn from the reference to elevate your own production to a professional standard. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.